Hey there, today we're going to look at how to use Linear app. So let's get started. First, go to Linear app and sign up for a free account using your email or Google login. After that, create a new workspace and give it a name for your project or team. Then click on Create Issue and add a task. Over here, you can set a title, description, priority, and assign it to a team member. Next, use the left-hand sidebar to switch between views like roadmap, backlog, and cycles. After that, try dragging tasks across the workflow board to move them from to do to in progress or done. Then, enable integrations like Slack, GitHub, or Figma in the settings for better collaboration. Finally, use keyboard shortcuts like C to quickly create tasks or Command plus K Control plus K to open the command menu. And that wraps it up. Appreciate you watching. See you in the next.